everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the warm-up problem for this assignment. This is assignment number 1 of systems of equations. So we're going to go ahead and go over the elimination method in this assignment, but again, this is the warm-up problem. So I'm going to go ahead and do the first warm-up problem as shown here, and then on your own you're going to go ahead and do problem 2 as shown here. So I'm not going to go over problem 2, but I will go over problem 1. Okay, so for problem 1, you need to choose which system you can solve using the elimination method. Then solve that system in the space below. Okay, so looking at parts A and part B, you'll notice a couple things. So notice here that the x and the y's are lined up, okay? And the same thing here as well, the 4x or 4 and 3y, you have 2x and x and y and 11. So y's are not lined up and the whole numbers are not lined up. Okay, so remember with the elimination method, we want the numbers lined up nice and neat with their correct terms. Okay, so that obviously makes A the more desirable one to use elimination, right? But the other important thing too is we want a variable to cancel out, and which is what's going to happen here when we add these two together. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 5x minus 4y equals 37. So I'm just rewriting the problem right now. Plus 4y equals negative 52. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to add those functions together. So I get negative 3x. This will cancel, and essentially it'll become 0, but we don't need to write 0. And then 37 minus 52. I can't do simple math, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. That's 12, 5. I borrow, so this will be 15. Yeah, that sounds about right. So that'll be negative 15. Okay, and then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. X is going to equal positive 5. Now remember, we're not done yet. We still need to find what the value of y is going to be. So we can choose either equation to substitute 5 into. So this will be 5 times 5. I usually just pick the first equation. Minus 4y equals 37. This is 25 minus 4y equals 37. Oops. And remember, as always, you need to subtract 25 from both sides. You get negative 4y equals positive 12. And then you divide both sides by negative 4. Y equals negative 3. Okay. So your point of intersection is 5, negative 3. So when these two lines intersect here, when these two lines intersect here, they will cross at the coordinate 5, negative 3. Okay, now go ahead and if you need to watch this video again, watch it again, but then go ahead and work on problem 2 on your own.